Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the Logitech G305 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. A lightweight wireless gaming mouse designed for players who want dependable performance, long battery life, and precise tracking without paying flagship prices. This mouse is built for gamers who want simplicity done right. Whether you're playing competitive shooters, MOBAs, strategy games, or simply looking for a reliable everyday mouse, the G305 positions itself as a no-nonsense gaming mouse that focuses on speed, accuracy, and consistency, rather than unnecessary extras. If you want to grab this mouse for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the Logitech G305 immediately gives off a clean and minimal appearance. It doesn't rely on flashy RGB lighting or aggressive styling to stand out. Instead, it focuses on a compact design that feels comfortable in almost any setup. The build quality feels solid throughout. The shell has a sturdy construction, the buttons feel well assembled, and despite its lightweight design, the mouse never feels fragile. Everything about it gives the impression of a product designed to handle years of daily gaming. Once you place your hand on the mouse, comfort quickly becomes one of its biggest strengths. The symmetrical shape makes it suitable for a wide range of grip styles, whether you prefer fingertip, claw, or a relaxed palm grip. Its lightweight body allows for quick movements with very little effort, helping reduce fatigue during long gaming sessions. Whether you're making fast flick shots in competitive shooters or moving across large maps in strategy games, the mouse feels agile and easy to control. Now let's talk about performance. The G305 is powered by Logitech's Hero sensor, which has built a strong reputation for delivering accurate and consistent tracking. Small adjustments feel smooth, larger movements remain precise, and overall cursor control feels dependable across different gaming genres. Whether you're lining up precise headshots or making rapid camera movements, the sensor keeps up without feeling inconsistent or unpredictable. One of the biggest highlights is Logitech's Lightspeed wireless technology. Wireless gaming has improved dramatically over the years, and the G305 demonstrates just how responsive modern wireless performance can be. Inputs feel immediate, and the connection remains stable even during fast-paced gameplay. You get the freedom of a wireless mouse without feeling like you're sacrificing responsiveness. Another major advantage is battery life. Instead of requiring frequent charging, the G305 is designed to run for an exceptionally long time using a single AA battery. That means less time worrying about power levels and more time focusing on your games. For many users, battery replacement becomes an occasional task rather than a regular concern. The 6 programmable buttons also add flexibility. You can assign shortcuts, macros, or in-game commands to better match your favorite titles or daily workflow. For competitive players, having important actions mapped to convenient locations can improve efficiency without overcomplicating the layout. The primary buttons deliver crisp and satisfying clicks that feel consistent every time you press them. The scroll wheel also provides a balanced feel, making it comfortable for both gaming and everyday browsing. Despite its gaming focus, the G305 performs equally well as an everyday productivity mouse. Its responsive sensor and comfortable shape make it suitable for work, school, creative tasks, and general computer use. Over time, reliability becomes just as important as raw performance, and that's an area where this mouse continues to impress. When it comes to value, the Logitech G305 sits in one of the strongest positions in the gaming mouse market. It combines a high-performance sensor, reliable wireless technology, long battery life, programmable buttons, and lightweight comfort into one affordable package. Over time, precision, comfort, and consistency matter far more than flashy features. Overall, the Logitech G305 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse is a lightweight, responsive, and highly reliable gaming mouse that brings together excellent wireless performance, accurate tracking, and long-lasting battery life into one complete package. If you're looking for a gaming mouse that delivers premium performance at an accessible price while remaining comfortable enough for everyday use, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.